Volume 1, Exercise number 20. Ready? Start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, Sir, I extend to this resolution full stop my whole-hearted support, though I wish he had extended its scope by incorporating within it two more services, but then I cannot deal with that subject now full stop. You have assured me that the matter will be taken up on a subsequent occasion full stop. I do not know when that subsequent occasion is likely to occur full stop. Paragraph. Sir, I am grateful to the Home Minister for some kind words he has said about me in regard to my interest in this subject. Full stop. No doubt for long I have been urging the necessity of creating more All India services. Full stop. During the last 5 years or so, ever since that recommendation on the subject was made by the States Reorganization Commission, and during the last 1 year and a half, near about that time, I have been tabling resolutions on the subject twice or thrice, but they could not come up full stop. Of course, as they say, there are higher forces that govern the destiny of things, and so far as Parliament is concerned, it is the government and the undisputed sway of the chair that govern the destiny of resolutions full stop. Obviously, it was so ordained that this resolution should come up only now, and that too as a government sponsored resolution full stop. Even as it is, I welcome it most heartily and feel enthusiastic and even jubilant about it full stop. Sir, I sincerely congratulate the Honorable the Home Minister for the tact, the firmness, the strength and the determination which he has shown in overcoming all the obstacles and difficulties which I am sure were there in his way full stop. The opposition and unwillingness of the states were there initially, I know full stop, and I also know, sir, that about a year ago when I tabled a question on this subject, the then Home Minister told us that the government would be only too glad to have more All India services, but then the handicap in their way was that the states were not agreeable to it full stop. Subsequent to that, sir, about the middle of this year, I wrote to all the chief ministers requesting them to let me know their views on this subject, and I was a little unhappy to find that no chief minister replied to me saying that he was agreeable to it full stop. One or two of them especially said that they were against it full stop. Over.